Now in this video we will see the exercise of lesson number 1. Now see, question number 1 is regarding classification of microbes. Now use the Whittaker's method to classify the given microbes. Now see, bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microbes. Microbes we have to classify, means in which kingdom they belong. We have to write the name of the kingdom. Now see, if you have learned the classification properly, all the bacteria are kept in kingdom first, that is kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera. So all the bacteria are kept in one kingdom, that is very first kingdom, kingdom Monera. This we have already studied. Protozoa or protist. Now all the protists are kept in kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista. In this way we have to mention the answers. Now third is kingdom Fungi. All the funguses are kept in kingdom Fungi. Kingdom Fungi. See the classification chart. See the answers from the chart. We can easily make the answers. Algae are kept. Now see, algae are of two types. Unicellular algae and multicellular algae. Primitive plants. If algae are unicellular, then they are kept in kingdom Protist. Kingdom Protista. So remember this. If unicellular algae we are taking, then it is included in kingdom Protista. I am mentioning here, I am writing here, if unicellular. We have learned the example of chlorella. It is unicellular algae. And if multicellular, then kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae is also the answer, but if it is multicellular, eukaryotic microbes will be kept in kingdom first, that is kingdom 1 Monera. Kingdom first Monera. And remaining all eukaryotic microbes will be kept in all the 4 kingdom except kingdom Monera. All the remaining kingdom, all the remaining 4 kingdom except kingdom Monera. Means we have to leave kingdom Monera because it is all the prokaryotes are kept in kingdom Monera. So leave this kingdom first Monera and then remaining kingdom, in all kingdom eukaryotic microbes we can keep. So this is about question number 1. Now question number 2 is regarding complete the chart. To complete the chart, answers are given in the question itself. So use this answer and try to complete the chart. Living organisms are divided into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So fill it. We already have learned the chart while learning the classification. Prokaryotes, under prokaryotes, unicellular organisms are kept in kingdom Monera. So keep here Monera. Then go ahead, eukaryotes are divided into unicellular as well as multicellular. So keep multicellular here. Multicellular. Then in eukaryotic unicellular organism, kingdom Protista is there, and in kingdom Protista all the eukaryotic unicellular organism are coming. So protist is given, so write protist or protista. In multicellular organism, eukaryotic multicellular organism are divided into three kingdoms, that is kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae and kingdom animals. So right here fungi, then plants and animals. In this way we have to go. Okay. Now third question is regarding match the pairs. So whatever we have studied previously, on the basis of that we will try to match the pair. Now see fungi. The candida is one of the example which is given in the characteristic of fungi especially. So match it with candida. Protozoan. So main protozoa is amoeba. Whenever anyone asks you example of protozoa, so tell the answer amoeba. Viruses. Viruses are prokaryotic organism, living organism, or we can say they are in between the living and non-living stage. So they do not have cell organelles and nucleus. Anything is not there in the cell. Algae. One of the example of algae is chlorella. Chlorella is unicellular algae. And bacteria, we will match it with bacteriophage. When a virus attack the bacteria, the phase is called as bacteriophage. So this is question number 3. Question number 4 now. State whether the statement is true or false. Now see, when the statement is true, write simply true. But if statement is false, then we have to correct the sentence and write it again. So first is lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. Now this is false. This is not true. Now which are the lactobacilli? Where they are present? Now lactobacilli or lactobacillus are present in the curd. The bacteria which present in the curd are the lactobacilli. They are many in number, so we are calling them lactobacilli. Now they are present in curd and we are eating curd. Okay, it is our food item. So it is not harmful, it is useful. So change this word. Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. Okay, so this is the answer. Regarding another second sentence, cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. It is true. It is made up of chitin. It is true. Then third answer, organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. It is also true. True. Tomato wilt is viral disease. It is also true. We have studied viruses and among that we have studied the plant virus. So one of the virus was tomato wilt virus which infect the tomato plant. So the sentence is true. So this is about question number 4. Now question 5 is descriptive question. I will make all the answers of this question and I will mention one link in the description box. So collect the answers from that link. Let us start with question number 6. Who am I? I don't have true nucleus, cell organelle, plasma membrane, etc. So nothing is there in the cell. So all these are coming in prokaryotic cell kingdom Monera. You can write the answer bacteria. Simple answer you can write, that is bacteria. Next is I have nucleus and all the cell organelles. Now see, on the other hand, if chart you have seen all the eukaryotic organism. Now eukaryotes may be uni and multicellular. So all the 4 kingdoms, kingdom protist, fungi, plant and animals, all they have nucleus as well as cell organelles. So we can mention simply eukaryotic organism or eukaryotic cell we can say. Now if about unicellular we are going to thought, then write protist and kingdom protista you can mention. And about multicellular you are going to write, then remaining all kingdom and all the examples will be there. Next is I live on decaying organic matter, that are funguses which live on decay, dead matter. I produce mainly by cell division. Now cell division is occur in the bacteria and some of the protists which come in the kingdom protista and bacteria is are coming in kingdom Monera. I can produce my replica. I can make my own prints in many time, in multiple time. So they are viruses. This we have studied in the virus. Characteristic of virus. Next is I am green but don't have organ. I don't have organ but I am green in color. So algae are the all algae will come here. Algae is the answer. Now question number 8. Ascending arrange us in ascending order. Now which are given? Examples are given. Bacteria, fungi, viruses and algae are the examples given. Now according to size we have to arrange them. Means which is smaller that we have to keep first and go slowly on the larger size micro. So firstly regarding the size, viruses are very small. So viruses or virus we will write first. Next to that quite larger are the bacteria. Then again quite larger than bacteria are fungi. Organism coming in kingdom fungi and lastly algae means plants are quite larger in size. So this is the answer of question number 8. In this way, this is about the question number 8. Now about the diagrams are given, bacteriophage, then draw about the different type of bacteria, then paramecium. All this diagram already we are having in our textbook. Okay. So in this way, you readily can draw from there. Bacteria's diagrams are very important. So I will make the simple diagrams for you and keep in that link, same link. So collect all the answers from that link. So keep watching the video. We will meet next time. Goodbye.